Hello everyone! We are going to practice there is and there are. We use there is and there are when we refer to the presence or existence of something or someone. There is a book on the table. There's water in my glass. There are 3 students in the classroom. There is, or the short form of it, there's, is used in singular. So we use it with uncountable nouns and countable nouns in singular. There's a letter in the box. There's tea in my cup. There are and the short form of it, there, both are used with countable nouns in plural. There are 5 letters in the box. To make the question, we use is and are at the beginning of the sentence. Is there a letter in the box? Are there students in the class? To make the negative sentence, we use not after is and are. There isn't letter in the box. There aren't students in the classroom. The short forms, there's and there, are mostly used in informal speech and informal writing. If you want to write something formal, formal letter, formal writings, use the full forms, there is and there are. In the end, I will have homework for you. I will describe my flat, and after me, like the way I do, you will describe your own flat, office or classroom and post it in the comments below. See you next time!
This is my flat. There are 3 rooms in my flat. 1 bedroom, 1 living room and 1 dining room. There are also 1 kitchen and 1 bathroom. In the living room, there is 1 TV. There are also a sofa and an armchair. There are 1 bed and a wardrobe in my bedroom. There is 1 big carpet on the floor. In my dining room, there is a big dining table in the middle, and there are 6 chairs around it. My flat isn't so big.